Did you ever notice in How to Train Your Dragon, Astrid bullied Hiccup at the beginning, but later was ready to sacrifice herself to save him? When Astrid follows Hiccup to Toothless's hideout, she acts aggressive and even hits him with her axe, which makes Toothless charge at her. But the moment she sees the dragon, Astrid throws Hiccup to the ground to protect him. She tells him to run while preparing to fight alone. She knew she had no chance against a Night Fury, but instinctively tried to protect Hiccup, who had even less of a chance. Astrid wasn't bullying Hiccup because she was cruel. She just believed he wasn't taking dragons seriously and wanted to toughen him up. When Hiccup finally gets serious after seeing the Red Death, Astrid is the first one to notice, and for the first time she steps back in shock, realizing how much he's changed.